So this is my first video ever in my whole life. So today for my first video, I'm reading a book called Go Dog Go. First page is Go Dogs Go. Go on, sneak. Fastly. Go by bit, bite. That's somebody's house. Go by scooter. I don't know that word, I'm sorry. Go by kiss. Barely. Okay. Up. Let's just skip this page, guy. I can't really read it. Go by blimp. By bought. By car. By dogs. Go, it's not too far. Stop, dogs. Stop the Legget is red. No, the light is red. Oh, the light is red. I understand now. Go, dogs, go. It's green. Atchard. Maybe that's somebody's name. Your mom there. Stop at that gray tree. Oh, it's tree. Sorry. The end. So, go dog go. And then you see all the pictures. Okay, make sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. And my name for the videos, look up Mal the Gal to see my videos. The end.